Have you ever wondered how your health insurance agent actually gets paid? It really just depends on a couple different factors. These health insurance companies will pay a set commission for you then signing up for that plan. And that health insurance agent will typically continue to get that same commission for the lifetime of that policy. It may diminish over the years, but the goal of getting paid each and every year, even if you don't make a change, is so that way they continue to be able to provide that customer service that you need, that if you may run into an issue, that they continue to get paid on that policy. Now, how much do they get paid? It just depends on the insurance plan itself, and depends on the company as well. Some Medicare plans are very standardized by the government on how much you can actually get paid, such as Medicare Advantage or prescription drug plans. Whereas when it comes to Medicare supplements or the Affordable Care Act, there's a little bit more leeway, or even dental insurance plans. It may still be a set dollar amount that the insurance broker gets paid each and every month based on the plan you're enrolled in, no matter what the premium is. And sometimes it's percentage based. It's based on the percentage of how much you're paying. It may be 10% up to 22%, or even more depending on the exact plan itself. So the more expensive the plan is, the more percentage that they get, the higher paycheck that they get as well. Not meaning that they're always going to be leaning towards the more expensive plan, because it may not fit your specific needs if they're a good insurance agent. Why is this important to keep in mind? Well, it's important to keep in mind because whether you go directly to the insurance company or go through a broker, typically there's no difference in what plans you can get and premiums. If you go through a broker, yes, they get a percentage of what you're paying for monthly premium-wise, but it wouldn't change if you bought it directly from the company. But if they're an independent agent, they have access to multiple different companies, not just one, and they're able to help you find a plan that fits your needs and help you evaluate each year. Be there as a point of contact if you do have an issue with the insurance company to help things get resolved. Yes, they get paid and they need to continue to get paid. And now, by no means are they making millions of dollars off of one insurance policy. Rather, the goal with these insurance agents is to have a big book of business, many different clients, and a couple hundred at least, to make a sustainable living each and every year for it. So next time you talk to your health insurance agent, ask them. There's nothing to hide. And typically, you can find it online what they may be making, and be very upfront as far as what they are making off of that insurance policy. Now, one thing to keep in mind, though, in general, is depending on the agency as well can factor in. Some insurance agents are salaried and simply just get a bonus based on the amount of sales. So that way, then they aren't worrying about day after day making an insurance sale. Whereas sometimes if it's just a one-man show, it is typically based off of the commission, and they aren't getting a base pay or salary for it, which can all make differences as well. In general, though, it's not a bad thing that the insurance agents get paid. They're there to do a service. So when you're working with an insurance agent, make sure you are comfortable with them. Make sure you're getting the benefit that you really need from that policy.